Alright, so it's a windy day with a 6-wheel drive, and a little while ago I fixed the suspension struts, and the downside of that is it was wearing the tyres in a pretty nasty fashion. These might look like they got big lugs on them. Let's look at one of the rear ones. These have got much thicker lugs on them. So what we're going to do, this one's not driving most of the time till the centre diff locks on. So we're going to do a tyre rotation. We're going to take those, put them on the front and put those ones on the back here. But as you can probably hear from my voice, I'm not feeling the best. So I'm going to throw some money at the problem. I'm going to go up to the local tyre service and get them to do it for me. This will be a quick little video, but it's stuff that a lot of people forget to do, is rotating the tyres around. In any case, that should get a little bit more life out of the fronts until I can afford the $750 a piece for these tyres. Anyway, let's continue on. Alright, no worries. Alright, mate, run. Thank you. Alright, so it's still windy. We've got some storm fronts incoming, but the front tyres much more chunky now, and the other ones on the back, where they get much less wear, will probably survive a bit longer there. There's about half as much tread on those, but that should survive a little bit longer till we can afford to order a couple more tyres.